Hello everyone, it's LVXIN Package. Today we will help you to get a unique design of pulp tree package. In the shape of the pulp tree, we can customize all pulp tree package customizely because all the shape can be produced by our molds. This includes a range of colors for customer to choose from, such as our most common navy brown, white, black, and other colors. As for the pulp tree package, customer logo is the most common design too. We can provide embossed, clear, seal printing, hot stamping, and so on. You can send us your desire. We will come up with a complete package for you to choose from according to your requirements. If you want to design the best package with personality, welcome to contact with us to get more information.